Hello friends, we are learning GDP at factory cost. It is gross domestic product but at factory cost. Now let us first understand GDP at market price. Now understand what is GDP at market price. Whenever the market price is included, it includes what? It includes raw material, it includes salary, it includes rent, it includes interest, it includes a depreciation, it includes a profit, it includes a indirect tax, and it reduces subsidy. Subsidy is something given by given to us free by government. Now this is GDP at market price. Now if I want to find out if I want to find out GDP at factory cost, we will be just removing this. Indirect tax and subsidies, anything by government will be removing it and it will become GDP by factory cost. I have already told you we remove raw material because it is an intermediary product. It is a output of someone else and it becomes input for us, so we remove it. If you remove depreciation instead of gross, which word will be used? Net word will be used. But here I want to find out GDP at factory cost. It will be nothing but salary, rent, interest, depreciation plus profit, or it will be GDP at market price I am removing this. It is already added. I will be subtracting it, minus indirect taxes plus subsidies will be nothing but GDP at factory cost. Now if someone says me, sir, tell me NDP at a factory cost, it will be same, GDP at a factory cost minus depreciation. If you remove this portion, whenever you remove depreciation instead of gross, which word is used? Net. It will be NDP at factory cost, a net domestic product at factory cost. So how to find out factory cost? Just remove your indirect taxes, add subsidies, you will be getting GDP at factory cost. Ultimately it is. Now the question arises, sir, profit is not a cost. Why you have not removed this? This is an actual cost and this is an actual income. We have removed this. So removing this, how to remove this? This is already added. If I want to remove this from this figure, in this figure this is already added. If I want to remove from this figure, this particular figure, it is added, I'll subtract it. It is subtracted, I'll add it. I'll be getting the answer. But the question is, why not profit, sir? Understand, this is paid to employees because they are working. This is paid to owner because we are using his premises. This is paid to money lenders because we are using their money. This is charge of capital asset. This is added because owner is working in the company. Is owner working in the company of production? Yes, it is a service provided by owner to his own business. It should be included when you find out any GDP. So profit should never be excluded while finding out gross domestic product or net domestic product. As far as GDP and NDP is concerned, whenever the word net is used, depreciation will be reduced. Whenever the word gross is used, depreciation will not be reduced. This is nothing but GDP at factory cost and NDP at factory cost. We can also find out GNP at a factory cost. GNP at factory cost. It is GNP at market price minus indirect tax plus subsidy. We can also find out NNP at factory cost. It is NNP at market price minus indirect taxes plus subsidies. So whenever it is factory cost, what is reduced is indirect taxes, what is added is subsidy. Whenever you want to convert this gross word into net, you need to reduce depreciation. This is nothing but concept of GDP at factory cost, or NDP at factory cost, or GNP at factory cost, or NNP at factory cost. Thank you, friends.